Listen, I made a thumbnail, a reel, and a blog post from one photo. And I'm not even a designer.
I literally just dragged in a photo. Canva dropped 5 thumbnails like it already knew what I wanted. I used to think you need a whole team to make content that's best. But bro, Canva does it all now. I had this super basic headline. Morph turned it into this chrome ripple thing, and it actually looks sick. I zoomed in way too much, and Canva straight up filled in the rest of the photo. Like, how? I made one thumbnail, and Canva turned that into a reel, a blog post, and even slides. No joke.
Design used to be trial and error telly. Now I just change one thing, and Canva auto-adjusts the whole layout.
I'm not a designer or editor, but I made this whole thing myself, and it looks legit professional.
I typed one topic, picked a tone for you. Canva gave me captions in English and Urdu, just like that. I just typed courtroom tattoo drama, yeah, and Canva built me a full storyboard with visuals. Wild.
That old headline was flat. Now it's animated Chrome that actually pops. Game changer. I typed the vibe, picked a style, and Canva gave me the whole package. Captions, layout, everything.
If you're posting content without Canva Magic, you're seriously making it way harder than it needs to be.
Hey, if this Canva Magic tutorial helped even a little, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and show some love. And don't forget the bell icon so you don't miss the next drop.